Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called GPT Excel. So if you are a frequent Excel user, you might need to use various formula for your day-to-day task. But you may not be able to remember all the formulas that you use there. So for this, you can come to this tool called gptexcel.uk. So here you can describe your need, and it will automatically generate the formula for you. Let's see. This is the email. Now I want to split the email into username. I can type in here. Split the email into username, and I say generate. So it has generated the formula for me. I just have to put it here. Now while putting it here, I am just choosing the right cell. This is not in A1, it is in A2. This is also in A2. So now you can see the username has been generated. Now I will say split the username using dot separator into pieces. So this will split the username. Now let me put it here in this. This is the formula it is being put to separate the username, the first part of the username. If I put it here and I change it to A2, it is not A2, it is B2, because the username is in B2. Change to B2. Now you see. Now if I change this to right, I should be able to get the other one. Right, and put this as B2. So you see, in this way you will be able to generate formulas for anything. Now if I want like first three letters from the light, get first three letters from the light in a cell. So it will tell me the formula for getting that. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.